Hello, today I am going to add a kitchen cabinet on my kitchen studio project. And this is one of my favorites because of the faux glass doors. Take your prepared pattern and use this to trace on the doors. Then, using a sharp X-Acto knife, follow the lines and remove the center. The next, sand and smoothen the inner part or the cut part. After you have cut and sanded all the doors, paint the wood and the pattern and let them completely dry and set them aside. Take the back piece and mark them where the other parts will go. The markings is just an estimation, so maybe later before finally gluing the pieces together, you might need to adjust the pieces again. So from here, I am going to mark each end or each side 3 millimeters. Lining my ruler with the pencil mark, I am going to add another 52 millimeters. This is the total size of the two doors. Then I will add another 3 millimeters from the pencil markings of the 52 millimeters. And then do the same steps on the other end of the back piece. Next, take your top piece and glue this on the top edge of the back piece. Make sure that the markings are facing forward. Next, take one of the side pieces and glue this on the side. And before gluing the next side or the inner divider, take the doors and measure it again. Make some adjustment before permanently gluing them and make sure that the doors are not too tight. Then glue the divider. Do the same steps on the other side. Next, paint all the pieces including those pieces that haven't been glued yet, and then let them completely dry and set them aside. While waiting for the painted pieces to dry, you can start assembling the doors. Apply glue to the wood door and then glue the acetate. Next, apply glue to the window pattern and attach this on top of the acetate. Do the same steps on all the door pieces. Next, take the pre-assembled cabinet and we will glue the remaining pieces and also attach the doors. Let's begin by adding the shelves. So here I simply glue the shelves in the center of each compartment. Next, add the doors. Again, I am using a hemming pin here. I stuck the hemming pin on the top side part of each door. Before cutting the excess wire, try to move the doors and check if it will open or not. Otherwise, make some adjustments. If you are satisfied with the placement of the doors and everything is working, you can cut the excess wire. Then glue the bottom piece. After the glue is dry, stick the remaining hemming pins for the lower hinges. And again, before cutting the excess wire, open the doors and see if it works. And lastly, add the doorknobs or handles. Here I am using the head of the hemming pin. I made a small hole on each door and I glued the head in there. Thank you for watching this tutorial and good luck to your new project. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.